Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video, I will show you 3 legal ways how to get Canva Pro for free. And keep in mind that these are the legal ways. Okay guys, let's start with the first method. You need to go to canva.com and you need to scroll a little bit down, and here you can see Canva Pro. Start your free pro trial. You need to click this button. And you need to sign up on Canva. You can use your Gmail, your Facebook, or just another email. I will use my Gmail to sign up on Canva. So you can see there are two options, yearly and monthly. I prefer monthly plan. And as you can see guys, first 30 days are free. We are not paying money. It's free guys. We are paying $0 and we will get 30 days free plan. So this is the legal method to get Canva Pro for free. You need to click the next button. You need to enter your credit card details, and for 30 days you will have Canva for free. And after 30 days you need to make the decision you are going to buy Canva Pro, or if you are not going to buy it, you can cancel your subscription and they won't charge you anything guys. So you can use Canva Pro for free for 30 days. This is the first method, and now let's move on another method. And this method is personally for teachers, for school children or students. First of all, if you're a teacher, you can get Canva Pro for free. You need to upload the proofs that you are a teacher and you will get Canva Pro for free guys. But if you're a student or if you are going to school, there's another way to get Canva for free. You can ask your teacher to create Canva Pro free account. Then your teacher will be able to invite you to the team, and you will also get Canva Pro for free if you're a student or if you're a school pupil. So this is the second method how to get Canva Pro for absolutely free, and this is totally legal method. And now the third method to get Canva Pro for free. For example, if you have a non-profit organization or if you are doing some non-profit job guys, you can apply and you can get Canva Pro for free. For example, if you have a charity organization, you can get Canva Pro for free. You can also try to use this method. So in conclusion guys, these are the top 3 methods to get Canva Pro for free. If you like this video, don't forget hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.